In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror or flip video in CapCut PC. If you've ever needed to reverse the direction of movement, make a graphic point the opposite way, or quickly tweak composition without re-editing your shot, this is an easy and reliable workflow. Start by placing your video on the timeline and clicking it so it's selected. The timeline is the horizontal track area at the bottom of the interface, and selection is important because it tells CapCut exactly which clip you want to affect. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted and the properties for that clip appear on the right-hand side. Think of this as giving CapCut a clear target before you make any changes. Next, move your eyes to the small shortcut toolbar just above the timeline track. This bar gives you quick access to common editing tools. Look for the mirror icon. It resembles two triangles pointing toward each other, like a folded page. Click it once. Instantly, your clip flips horizontally, turning left into right and right into left. This is perfect when a subject is facing the wrong direction for your layout, when a graphic arrow needs to point the other way, or when you want motion to flow toward your on-screen text. The change is non-destructive and applies only to the selected clip, so you can work confidently without affecting the rest of your project. If what you need is an upside-down look instead of a left-right mirror, use the rotate icon that sits right next to mirror on the same toolbar. One click rotates the clip in fixed increments, which is great for quick adjustments. For precise control, open the right-hand properties panel and use the rotation wheel. Drag it until you hit the exact angle you want. 180 degrees will flip the image upside down, while other values let you fine-tune a creative tilt or correct a slightly off-level shot. This panel-driven rotation is especially handy when you're matching angles across multiple clips or aiming for a perfectly straight horizon. With these tools, you get an instant mirror effect with just one click, or a clean vertical flip by rotating to the angle you need. It's fast, it's clear, and it keeps your focus on the story rather than wrestling with menus. Drop the clip, select it, tap mirror, or rotate as needed. That's all there is to it. You're all set. Done.